Available within Connect, SmartBook 2.0 personalizes learning to individual student needs, continually adapting to pinpoint knowledge gaps and focus learning on concepts requiring additional study. For instructors, SmartBook 2.0 tracks student progress and provides insights that guide teaching strategies and advanced instruction for a more dynamic class experience. SmartBook 2.0 is a specific assignment type where students are required to engage with reading material and answer questions. Instructors must create assignments for students to use SmartBook. To understand how SmartBook works, let's begin with the student experience. Once assigned, SmartBook assignments will appear on the student's assignment list. A SmartBook assignment is indicated by the SB icon. Upon opening the first SmartBook assignment, the student will be taken to the welcome page that provides a quick tutorial. Next, the student may either start reading or start questions. For the most effective learning experience, students should always start reading first. Next, the student will be prompted to read the chapter, focusing on the highlighted concepts. These highlights will be determined by the instructor through the assignment creation process. Once the student has finished reading, they will be presented with questions. On the question page, they will see the question, a confidence rating, and their progress bar in the top right corner of the page. To complete a question, the student selects an answer and rates their confidence in the answer. This is where SmartBook begins to adapt to an individual student. The confidence level does not affect the progress bar, but it does encourage them to assess their own level of understanding. Behind the scenes, SmartBook is learning to pinpoint what a student really understands and where they might need additional help. As they answer questions, students receive immediate feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. In the event that students are struggling with a concept, SmartBook will force a pause in the questions and direct students to learn about this. This guidance into the reading resolves their knowledge gap on a concept before allowing them to proceed with more questions. The progress bar breaks down assignment progress into 3 categories: concepts not started, concepts in progress, and concepts completed. Only concepts that are currently being worked on, which is a maximum of 5 at any one time, are shown in the light blue section. Following each assignment are immediate real-time reports. Students can utilize the progress reports to track overall progress, as well as receive strategies to improve their learning. At any time, students can also review and recharge their learning. Once an assignment is past the due date, the assignment enters recharge mode, which allows students to continue practicing concepts and receiving feedback, but with progress no longer being recorded. Just like our ebook, SmartBook 2.0 is available on our Read Anywhere app for mobile use on smart devices. For instructors, SmartBook tracks student progress and provides insights that guide teaching strategies for a more dynamic class experience. To learn more about how to implement SmartBook 2.0 into your course, please see the Assigning SmartBook 2.0 tutorial.